Hey, welcome back. In this video we're going to be doing problem solving using similar triangles. Coming up. So let's look at an example. When a 50 centimeter stick is stood vertically on the ground, it casts a 30 centimeter shadow. At the same time, a man casts a shadow of 120 centimeters. How tall is the man? Now there's a couple of assumptions that we need to make. The first assumption is that the sun shines at the same angle on both the stick and the man. And the second assumption, since both the stick and the man are stood vertically to the ground, we suppose this angle alpha is to the horizontal. So let's draw our figures. So figure number 1, this is my stick and it's stood vertically in the ground. Because the ground is horizontal, it's at 90 degrees. So let's suppose the sun is shining from here and it's going to make the same angle on the stick to the horizontal as it is on the man. So my stick's standing vertically, which is horizontal to the ground, which is at 90 degrees. This is alpha, and then I have 90 minus alpha, which is basically 180 minus the 90, which gives us 90. And then 90 minus alpha gives us the remaining angle. Here's a diagram of the man. The man is standing h centimeters tall. The sun casts a shadow of 120 centimeters. This is my same corresponding angle alpha. This is my 90 degrees. That leaves me with my third angle, which is 180 minus 90. 90 minus alpha gives me whatever's left over. So this angle here would correspond to this angle here, so they're both the same. 90 degrees is the same, so that means the triangles are equal angular and therefore similar. Now I'm going to complete a table of values for my three angles, alpha, 90 minus alpha and 90 degrees. And what we're looking for is the lengths opposite these angles. So for the small triangle, the length opposite alpha is 50 centimeters, so I can fill that up in my table. The length opposite 90 minus alpha is 30 centimeters, so I can fill that in my table. And the length opposite my 90 degrees is nothing, I don't know what that is, so I can ignore that. Moving on to the large triangle, the length opposite alpha is h, that's my unknown. The length opposite 90 minus alpha is 120. And the length opposite my 90 degrees, I don't know what that is, so I can just ignore that. I don't need that information. Now, in order to set this up then, I'm going to make sure that my variable, my h, is the numerator. So I'm going to do h over 50 equals to 120 over 30. Therefore, h is 120 over 30 multiplied by 50. So I can just take this 50, because it's division, inverse operation means that I multiply by 50. That gives me a value of 200 centimeters. So the man is 200 centimeters tall. So that's the end of this example, problem solving using similar triangles. As always, thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, drop me a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next one.